Hello and welcome to the news summary from the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the top stories trending in northern Nigeria. The Bauchi State Muslim Pilgrims Welfare Board has announced the date of one of the state's pilgrims welfare officials, Alhaji Shehu Yahya Jalam, at Al Nur Hospital, Mecca, Saudi Arabia, following a brief illness. The Nigerian Center for Disease Control and Prevention has assured Nigerians that there is currently no confirmed case of Ebola virus disease in the country, despite the ongoing outbreak reported in parts of Africa. In a public health advisory issued on Saturday, the Director General of the NCDC, Dr. Jide Idris, stated that Nigerians remains Ebola-free event as health authorities continue to monitor developments linked to outbreak in the Democratic Republic of Congo and Uganda. The government of Adamawa and Kaduna State have officially issued certificate of occupancy for critical mini-grid project site being developed by the Rural Electrification Agency. The approval serves as a bold and commendable step toward accelerating energy access and renewable energy development within their respective states. Boko Haram terrorists has released a new 10-minute video of the captured Ngoshe peoples. Goza 2 months ago, the terrorists are still waiting for the government to respond. The victims are blaming state local government officials for inaction. At least 5 persons have been confirmed died, while 10 others were rescued alive after a 3-story building under construction collapsed in the Durumi 3 area near Gudu Markets in Abuja on Saturday morning. Former Deputy National Publicity Secretary of All Progressive Congress, Timmy Frank, has called on the United States government and the international community to intervene in Nigeria over the continued detention of former Kaduna State Governor Nasir El-Rufai and businessman Tunde Ayeni. Frank made the appeal in a statement issued on Sunday, alleging that Nigeria's anti-corruption agencies were being used for political persecution against oppositions figures ahead of the 2027 general election. Former Chief of Air Staff Sadiq Abubakar on Sunday resigned from the All Progressive Congress (APC) and announced his withdrawal from politics. Mr. Abubakar announced his decisions in a post on X on Sunday, days after the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) declared his wife, former Minister of Humanitarian Affairs and Social Development, Sadia Umar Farouk, wanted over alleged abuse of office and diversions of public funds. The lawmaker representing Pankish Kanke Kanam Federal Constituency in the House of Representatives, Yusuf Gadgi, has failed to secure the APC ticket to return to the National Assembly for a third term. Gadgi lost to John, who holds a total of 29,968 votes in the direct primary elections, to defeat Gaddi, who scored 5,849 votes. Hundreds of youths on Sunday staged a protest over worsening insecurity in Gorzo local government area of Kano State, following repeated attack by armed bandits in the area. The protesters reportedly marched to the local government secretariat, where they set a section of the building on fire over the deteriorating security situation. Sources said security operatives have since been deployed to the area to contain the unrest and restore calm as the demonstration continues. Convicted Boko Haram kingpin Kabiru Umar Sokoto has asked the Court of Appeal in Abuja to overturn his life sentence, insisting his convictions over the 2011 Christmas Day attack in Madalla was wrong and not supported by credible evidence. The Nigerian police force has announced the death of 17 police officers who died during a terrorist attack on the Nigerian Army Special Force School, Buniyadi, Bujuba local government area of Yobe State in early hours of May 8, 2026. A statement signed by the spokesperson of the Nigerian police force, DCP Anthony Okon on Saturday afternoon said the police officers who were undergoing specialized operational training at the institution lost their lives when terrorists launched a coordinated attack on the army facilities. Now, from the international scene, at least 5 people have been killed after Ukraine launched what Russian officials describe as one of the largest drone parades of the war, sending waves of unmanned aircraft toward Moscow and several other regions overnight. The Indian embassy in Russia said 1 Indian worker was killed and 3 others were injured during the drone attacks in the Moscow region. Pakistani's Fatima Sana has broken the world record for the fastest half-century in women's T20 international cricket with a 15-ball 50 against Zimbabwe. Playing at home at the National Stadium in Karachi, the all-rounder top score with 62 runs of 19 balls as Pakistan beat the visitors by 133 runs and sealed the series 3-0. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.